Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35 medium wheelbase Startline. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS. The vehicle also comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. This example comes with the high roof option and is finished in the classic candy white paint colour. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of front parking sensors. The van sits on a set of 16-inch steel wheels and comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear loading barn doors, and further helping you park and manoeuvre we'll also find a set of rear parking sensors set into the rear bumper. Opening up the rear cargo doors and taking a look into the load area, it comes in a factory fresh condition, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. Separating the load area from the cab is a full steel black bulkhead with a yellow grab handle on the entry point, and on the side there's a step allowing easy access into and out of the vehicle. Up front of the driver's cab we'll find a singular seat for the driver along with a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. All the seats come finished in the Austin cloth fabric upholstery in a lovely titanium black and palladium grey colour. In the centre of the dash we'll find a radio composition system. This allows you to listen to all your favourite radio stations, alternatively connect your phone using Bluetooth. Beneath this we'll find the climate controls. The van comes with climatic air conditioning as well as a 3-spoke steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35 medium wheelbase Startline. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.